Arrive in style with this Kia 2020 Niro LXS. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include automatic with auto-shift transmission, 4-wheel ABS brakes, dust-sensing headlights, interior air filtration, privacy tinted glass, rear bench seats, 1.6L inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, intermittent window wipers and remote power door locks. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.